Alright, the boys are currently playing balloons right now, but I had a really important question. If you drill a hole into US currency and you insert a firework in there, and then you light it, will it break the coin? Also, my neighbors are going to be mad. Don't tell them. Alright, we're going to start with the pennies. I hope it doesn't break my camera or that the neighbors call the police on me. And to probably no one's surprise, a small firecracker does absolutely nothing to coin. But we got all these other coins, and this dime here is almost all the way drilled through on the side, so that one might break. We're going to try a couple of these since the SWAT team is not here ready to arrest me yet. Fuck! We never curse on this channel. That's a quarter. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't tell your parents you saw any of this. Well, I lost the dimes. And my room smells like fireworks now. But, no, fireworks won't break through any coin.